Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you a clever way you can generate the perfect background music for your YouTube videos using ElevenLabs. Now, technically, you could just describe the music by providing a description or prompt that later you want to use for your YouTube video. But I think we can use Gemini to generate a prompt that is going to be relevant to the content of the video. So basically here we can feed Gemini the audio or video content, and then after that we can get some good recommendation from Gemini, because after all this AI model has something called audio understanding, which means the model can understand the emotion, mood, or even transcription of the video, which later lets us get some relevant prompts or music ideas that we can use on ElevenLabs. So here's how it works. Let's open Gemini, and for this example I'm going to upload a snippet of my previous video. So this is a video where I talk about how you can enable Google Drive on Perplexity AI, and I'm not uploading the whole video, I'm just uploading the first 1 minute of that video, and even that is in a much lower resolution, and that is totally fine because Gemini has no problem seeing the content of the video. So yeah, Gemini can actually see the visual of the video. That is something that do not exist in other models, so that's pretty cool. Now after that, this is the prompt that I'm going to use. You can copy this prompt from the description down below. I'm going to copy it. Let's put it down here on Gemini. And I will use the thinking version. I want Gemini to think deeply before generating the answer. So essentially in the prompt, we ask Gemini to watch the video, understand the emotion or transcription of the content, and it will generate at least 5 different prompts that later can be used to generate background music or just any music using ElevenLabs. Okay, there you go. The answer was pretty quick. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 music, and these can be used to generate background music using ElevenLabs. Let's say maybe if I'm using perhaps this one, there's the Deep Focus 5. I'm going to copy it. And by the way, there is also the description of why Gemini thinks that this is going to be good for your video. I'm going to just put that down here on ElevenLabs. Oh, by the way, in case you don't know how to access this tool, you can log into your ElevenLabs account, and then you can navigate to a menu called Music. So that's how you can quickly access this tool. Now, after that, I'm going to just paste the content or paste the prompt, and I just want to create one piece of music. The duration would be, let's say, just 2 minutes. And unfortunately, you cannot create more than that. But I think there are lots of AI tools that you can use to extend the duration of the music. So I think 2 minutes for me is quite fine. And the lyrics, well, I don't want to have any lyrics for a background music, so I'll just select instrumental. Now this is how many credits that it would take from your account to generate this piece of music. I'm going to click this button and just wait for the AI model in ElevenLabs to generate the music based on the description. Alright, so I got this result. Let me just play perhaps the first 20 to 30 seconds of this background music. Okay, outside that's quite decent. Now, of course, if you don't quite like the result, you can always ask AI to modify the music. But if you like it, you can download the music to your computer, and then you can use it on your video project. Now, in case you're wondering if you are allowed to generate or use music from ElevenLabs on your YouTube video, the answer is yes, you can use the music from ElevenLabs to be used in your YouTube videos. But remember, it has to be from a starter or creator, pro, or scale business. Basically, it is not from the free plan in ElevenLabs. Just make sure that you're using the paid version of ElevenLabs if you want to use the music from this tool to be used on your content. But yeah, that's basically it. That's, I think, a clever way to get a relevant and matching music for your YouTube video using ElevenLabs and of course Gemini AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.